Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today, I'm going to introduce you a DIY face mask which can help to get rid of skin discoloration and uneven skin tone. The main ingredients in this natural face mask today are green tea and lemon. It is especially recommended for those who have dull skin, uneven skin tone, and skin discoloration. Green tea is high in antioxidants, which will revitalize and restore the skin's elasticity, tone, and texture. It contains large amount of an antioxidant called EGCG, which can help to reduce inflammation and evens out skin tone. Meanwhile, lemon juice has natural bleaching properties, which with prolonged use can slowly reduce dark brown spots, especially sunspots. It can also lighten your skin naturally. Many lightening creams contain potentially harmful ingredients such as mercury and hydroquinone, so it is safer to use lemon juice to lighten your skin. Now, let's see how to make this natural green tea lemon face mask to get rid of skin discoloration and uneven skin tone. First, you need to prepare half a lemon, a green tea bag, and flour. Why do you need to use flour in this mask? Flour has the properties of making the skin clear and removing all the skin impurities. Put a green tea bag inside the cup. And then pour some hot water into the cup. Squeeze the tea bag using a spoon. Do not put too much water as it will dilute the green tea. Pour some flour into a bowl. Add a little green tea to it. And then add a few drops of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together to form a thick, smooth paste. After that, apply it evenly over clean face. Wait for 20 minutes and the mask will dry naturally. Wash it off after 20 minutes. Remember to use this natural green tea lemon face mask at least 3 times per week to get rid of skin discoloration fast.
Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe my channel if you find my video helpful. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.